Okay, welcome back with another video. And today I got a comment when I publish a video. Uh, One of our friend asking that he is asking and saying I'm stuck in updating my Xbox controller from your Windows 11. Can you please help me out? Okay, this is a question we received, and I thought to plan to make a video tutorial video on it and share help my friend share the video tutorial link to my friend. Okay, like back to the device and I already published an article on my website. You can see how to update export controller from your. I will mention this website in my video in my tutorial description. Easy for you to reach on it. Okay, so why you need to update your export controller from your input lag and delay button registration during gameplay. Okay, that's really a basic issue. Okay, how you will reach to my article by this blog, and then here you can see it is the article. You can read and you can get okay already to 66 people have tested the devices. Let's see the last 24 hours, last 7 days, and last 30 days, and all the time you can see. Okay, back to the topic and input lag spikes, random disconnect, stick drift on series controller and but Bluetooth instability on a PC. Most players never update their controller firmware. They blame the game swap cable or buy a new controller. A firmware update take 3 minutes and often eliminates the problem completely. That is a really basic issue for a gamer. How to check your current firmware of version? Press the expert button to open the guide. Go to Profile and System Setting, then Device and Connection. Select Controller and Headset. Okay, highlight your controller and press the menu button. Then select from your version. You will see the current version number. On the Windows PC, connect your controller via USB cable. Open accessories app from the Microsoft. You can check. Okay, there's the screenshots. Okay, you can see how this accessories work. You can see X, Y, A, B button. Okay, then restore to default, and then left trigger, right trigger, and brightness. So your controller appear on the screen. Click the three dot menu. Select from version to see build number. Okay, first of all, the method is unique, and this is the first method. Update via expert console. As this way, use this method. A step to update on Xbox console. Take about 2 to 3 minutes total. Connect the controller with the cable. Open setting, select controller, to start the update, confirm and test. That's simple and easy things. If you are basic beginners in this thing in it, it will problem for you. Method two, update via Windows PC Export accessories app that I mentioned, and this is the I will mention this link in my tutorial video and this article as well. Update via Xbox and then method three is update via Xbox app on mobile. Okay, let's see. There is maybe Play Store app. You can see 100 plus download, 100 million plus download this app, and it's by Microsoft Corporation. You can see similar apps. Okay, Let's see the Microsoft triple million. This all is by Microsoft. Still more than okay. Where what to do after the firmware update? Run just quick check of after every firmware updates to confirm the controller. Troubleshoot when the update fail or doesn't fix the problem. Update button is great or missing. Update fails. Okay. It says no update available but problem persists. Controller won't connect to PC after update. Which Xbox controller support firmware updates? Okay, Xbox Series, Xbox Elite Series, Xbox One controller macro USB PD 2016. So this is all, and you can run controller test here and check your device. Okay, we'll meet in another video on the next topic. Thank you for watching. I did not help with my cloudy AI. That's all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you for watching the guide. Take care. That's all for now.